I would like to show you how to draw a Viking shield and how to make it look 3D using crosshatching. The type of shield used by Vikings can be traced back to the Iron Age. It is made of thin planking which forms a circular shape. In the middle is a dome of iron to protect the shield bearer's hand. This is called the shield boss and is often the only part which is preserved after 1,000 years in the ground. Often Viking shields were decorated with colours to show the enemy their identity and loyalty. A bit like a coat of arms or school badge shows which tribe you belong to. Shields were also decorated with runes or symbols which the Vikings believed would hopefully bring them victory in battle. We are going to make a Viking shield out of cardboard. To do this, you will need some cardboard, maybe recycled packaging, a ruler, scissors, a pencil or a biro, and some colouring pencils if you have them. Some Viking shields had an iron rim around the outside to make them stronger and stop them splitting in battle. To draw this, I'm going to use 2 plates to draw around, one just slightly smaller than the other. I'm also going to draw around smaller circles for the boss in the centre of the shield. Start by drawing the largest circle around the outside of the shield. Then you can place a smaller plate inside and check if it's central, that there is the same distance gap all the way around. The boss in the centre of the shield is dome-shaped, and I would like to show you how to make your drawing look 3D. To do this, we're going to add shadows. Decide which direction the light will be coming from in your drawing. I have placed a torch to show where the light is coming from and to remind me that the shadows will be on the opposite side of the boss to the light source. We are going to use cross-hatching, lines in different directions, to build up shading to show the shadows. You can use a pencil or pen to do this. I'm using a black biro. Keep adding more lines to make the shadow darker and give the impression of the boss being dome-shaped. Cross-hatching is lines up, down and across. I have also added lines around the curve of the boss to show the shape. I have used cross-hatching to add shadows to the rim of the shield too. Remember, the shadows will be on the opposite side of the shield to the light source. The next step is to add a design to the shield. You could research images of Viking shields on the internet. I decided to divide my shield into 4 quarters. I used a ruler to draw parallel lines across my shield. To add colour, I used pencil crayons. You could use whatever you've got, felt tip pens or paint. I drew lines with the pencil crayon, following the lines of the cardboard, all in the same direction to make my shield look like it was made of wood. For some of the lines, I pressed harder with the pencil crayon to make a darker line, as I wanted to create the effect of wood that the shields would have been made of. Look at designs on Viking shields and recreate one or make up one of your own using patterns or runes or Viking images. The final step is to carefully cut out your cardboard Viking shield. My shield was a little small for me, but the perfect size for a teddy. Maybe you could create the rest of the Viking armour to dress up one of your teddies as a Viking. I hope you enjoy drawing your own Viking shield. Please share your creations with me.